Well, just got done with my physical therapy. I'm going home and I'm here at Hamilton Street. Well, you check this out. We are so very lucky to have a power. But look at this. This is the line for getting gasoline. Start from here, St. Peter's Church. Those are gasoline. If you don't have gasoline for your car, then you have to fall in line in here. That's a line. Look at that. For gas. Look at that. That's a long line. Check this out. This is Ambrose Street. Oh my goodness. And people are lining with cans too. Oh my goodness. That's one gasoline station in near Becky's place. And we have another one here. This is Hamilton Street. Come on.
Be careful. K alert.
Fucking freckle. There's another line. Look at this. For gas. You have to pass this. Look at the people getting gas. You have to take one block over there. See? Oh my God.
Be careful. K alert.